Hey, hi everybody. It is a pleasure. This is a very, very special recording in here. This is between me, Kyle, and Joel. We just started a brand new company actually yesterday. And we wanted to share with you the good news and let you know that we are ready for business. And there are some questions, of course, some of our dearest friends that will be asking, and some of our customers from before as well. We would love to answer it for you. So, first of all, let me go ahead and introduce you to Kyle and Joel. Kyle, you want to start? Go for it, boss.
Thanks, Lino. Yep. So my name is Kyle Bunting. I'm going to be the Chief AI Officer here at Tahubu. Really excited about this new venture. We get to bring a lot of years of experience and a lot of talented individuals together to do consulting for our customers and really help push AI and data innovation forward.
That is awesome. And Joel?
Hey everyone, I'm Joel Hewlin, and I am the Chief Technical Officer at Tahubu. I've been in the industry for about 31 years, and I spent a lot of that as a developer. I've spent a lot of that as a consultant. I've, over the last 10 years, have focused a lot on data and AI side of things as well. And I've been on both sides of the fence, both as a consultant and a customer. So I hope to bring my experience and help to build some awesome solutions for you.
That is awesome, you guys. And I'm Lino Tadros. I'm the CEO of Tahubu, and I've been in the industry for about 33 years. I've been a Microsoft MVP and also Microsoft Regional Director for the last 22 years. Done a lot of different projects on data and AI and Sitefinity and a lot of machine learning. And I'm really looking forward to continue to work with these two guys and the entire team at Tahubu as well to serve our customers. So to start with, the first question that probably a lot of people will be asking is like, why did we create this company? So I'll start with you, Kyle. Let's go ahead and share with the world the reason why yesterday we announced the company and went for it.
Yeah. So I'll go back to, one of the things that I really enjoy is working with people who I've built relationships with. And some of these relationships go back. I mean, my relationship with Joel goes back more than 20 years now. So being able to bring together a team of very talented engineers spanning a lot of different disciplines. And really allowing us, so we're all coming from different backgrounds, but most of us have been in consulting for a long time, and just continuing that. Doing the consulting work is something that I very much enjoy. I really like working with a lot of different customers, tackling different types of problems with those customers. It makes it very interesting and challenging. And so just being able to continue that legacy that I think we've all developed over the last many years.
That is awesome. Joel, what's your take on our adventure, boss?
Well, I'm excited, and I echo a lot of what Kyle just said. A lot of it is really just I want to work on something that's going to get me excited every day, and that means working on difficult types of projects and working with a variety of customers and really sort of feeling like we're controlling our destiny in one way or another. And then we're bringing along our friends, people who we've worked with over the years and who are also very smart and talented people. And that's really the crux of it. What about you, Lino?
Well, for me, I'm actually, as you know, the most excited person in the whole bunch. I get to work with definitely not only the two of you, which I have a lot of respect, and we've been friends for over a decade, but also 25 very talented architects and engineers in the industry with a significant amount of years of experience and success behind consulting and training. So this is something that will actually makes me very, very excited, especially the quality of solutions and the effort is put in with our customers going forward. This is something I look forward to. So this is going to be a lot of fun. The next question probably we need to answer is like, what exactly is Tahubu going to be offering? Is it going to do everything, or is it going to specialize in one thing or a couple of things? So Kyle, let's share with the world our vision about what exactly the company will be offering.
Yeah, and so I think maybe Joel and I can split this up a little bit. For primarily what we want the focus to be on is AI, figuring out how can we work with customers to apply AI, whether it's automating workflows, whether it's creating co-pilots, helping them gain insights from the information that they have. And also, I think what goes hand in hand with that is data. We've got a lot of experience in the data engineering space. So really focusing in on how can we work with organizations to both set up data pipelines focused on AI initiatives, implement those AI solutions for them, and really just help to drive that forward. And then, I think on top of that, and I think Joel can speak maybe a little bit better to this one, but, we've got other practices around application development. We've all got extensive backgrounds in software engineering, covering, both the .NET world as well as Python, different languages that are out there. So a lot of experience there, as well as training. And then Joel, if you want to jump in there and maybe touch on the training and some of the other things that we're going to be doing.
Yeah, absolutely. So just to round out the rest of the practices and areas that we focus on, cloud architecture is another big one. We have a lot of experience across multiple cloud platforms, and also infrastructure and DevOps. And so we can help you build applications. We can build them for you. We can assist your team, but you need to be able to deploy them, and you need a solid infrastructure that's also secure, which also takes us to our cybersecurity and compliance area as well, right? So we're looking at holistically delivering end-to-end solutions that cover the spectrum of what enterprises and small businesses need. And then the training is about being able to upskill your team to be able to either take over what we've built for you, or to just help you level up your team in general, in the different areas that we talked about. But a lot of that really focused on AI and machine learning and data primarily. Lino?
Yeah, absolutely. That's also the stuff that definitely excites me very much, especially being able to offer not only consulting, but training, like you said, machine learning and Gen AI, Databricks, Snowflake, Fabric, all of the things that a lot of customers have been asking for lately. We have a lot of experience in all of these things. And with the training as well. For instance, I have been doing, as you know, a product called Sitefinity, which is a CMS system that's very popular. I've been doing it for over 20 years right now. So we're bringing that practice under Tahubu as well, to do a significant amount of architecture implementation and training for Sitefinity as well. Now that we have multiple people in the company that are certified on Sitefinity and have built a lot of different applications on Sitefinity as well. So pretty much there is a lot of different practices. We're focusing on data and AI, definitely. But of course, it's needed to have the infrastructure and the DevOps and the application development, which we have a lot of talent in the company to do that as well. All right, so probably the next question is that why is Tahubu different? So one of you, if you'd like to grab this question, I mean, there are a lot of different consulting and training companies out there. Why do we believe that Tahubu will be different? Joel, you want to start with that one, boss?
Sure. I would say it depends on what you're comparing against, right? If you're comparing us against very, very large consulting companies, we're very agile in that it does not take us long to be able to spin up a new project. We don't have a whole lot of red tape to go through. We have a team that is very experienced at working on a variety of different products and projects. And so I think that's one of the things that sets us apart. Another thing would be just the mix of experience that we bring to the table. All of us have at some point run our own businesses. And so we bring both the technical and the business acumen, not just so narrowly focused on one or the other, right? Kyle, do you have anything to add to that?
Yeah, I think on top of that, I would really just say that, with the partners that we're bringing in, with even just the three of us, right, we have such a diverse set of skills and a lot of different backgrounds that folks are coming from. So it's just that level of experience that we bring into projects, the insights that we have from all of the different projects that we've worked on in the past. We've been able to work hand in hand with companies like Microsoft on creating training content, writing documentation for some of their products, creating solution accelerators to showcase some of the data and AI features that data platforms have, and these AI tools that are being offered on that platform. So really just allowing that diversity of experiences and background to shine through in the products and solutions that we bring to our customers.
Excellent. And I wanted to say also that based on the timing of the recording of this, I'll be heading actually to Microsoft in Seattle for the Microsoft Build Conference, which is starting on May 18th, 2025, all the way to the 22nd. I will be speaking there, and I'll be actually part of the labs for the evaluation of the new models and so on. So please, if you are there, head out to tahubu.com and click on Contact Us. Let us know. We would like to buy you a cup of coffee and chat and maybe answer some of your questions as well. So we're very excited about that. Other than that, folks, do you want to actually tell everybody out there anything else about Tahubu? I mean, I know it's a very short 10 minutes just to introduce the company, but we are very excited. Of course, if you have any needs for consulting or training, reach out to us on the website under the Contact Us page. Let us know, and we will get back to you as soon as possible. But we are ready. The vision actually to be able to help our customers and implement excellent solution, we are ready for it. Kyle, Joel?
Yes, yeah. We're super excited to get started on this venture, and really looking forward to connecting with new customers and getting started in building solutions.
I'll add one thing. People probably are wondering what Tahubu means. It's not an Egyptian dish, as a lot of people assume because of Lino and his background with a company called Falafel.
I'm going to interrupt you right now, boss. I told everybody already. Tahubu is an Egyptian pharaoh from 7,000 years ago that was experienced in AI.
Well, it's not food, so yes. It's actually a combination of Tadros, Hewlin, Bunting, Tahubu. And it makes us very easily Googleable, Bingable, other search engine Jenkins, whatever you usable, to find us. So
I like my story better, but that's okay. That's fine. All right, folks. Thank you, guys. And thanks, everybody, for watching. Looking to definitely engage with you and your companies as well in future projects. And have a great one. And let's make it happen.
All right. Cheers, all.
Make it happen.